Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make and use the portable beacon in Icarus. First of all, in the tech tree tier 3, right in the middle you'll see the portable beacon, which you can unlock by firstly unlocking the machining bench, cement mixer, and also copper and gold wire. Also, you'll need the platinum sheath, which is necessary for crafting the portable beacon. Now, to craft the portable beacon, you'll need gold wire, which is made from smelting gold ore inside of a furnace, which is going to give you gold ingots, which can be then crafted into gold wire. Well, also, the copper wire is made the same way. Steel ingots are made from smelting some steel bloom, which is crafted in the mortar and pestle from iron ore and charcoal, or coal, or iron ingots and charcoal. The platinum sheath is made from platinum ingots inside of the machining bench or higher. And lastly, you'll need some glass, which is made in a furnace from some silica ore or sand. Also, to make glass, you'll need to have the concrete furnace or higher. So, once you've crafted or found all the materials you'll need, go ahead and craft the portable beacon. And now, we'll want to use it. The portable beacon must be placed outside. We can place it right about here. And this is especially useful if you want to display like a position of your deep mining drill on the map. And to use it, you want to go ahead and open the menu. Here you'll see some icons which you can use, which are going to be shown on the map. Secondly, you'll see the color of the icon, and here you'll see the beacon name. We can choose some beacons, and the compass view distance means that on the top of the screen I can see the portable beacons icon. This is going to set the distance on which you'll see it on the compass. And the last option is visible to owner only. If it's checked, you're gonna be the only one who's going to see the beacon. So this is pretty much all. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.